Today is an exciting day. I'm going to take this giant thing, I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to replace it with a Harvey dust processor. Let's get it done!
Okay, it is time for me to break down this old jet dust collector that I have here. You'll notice the sound protection that I have on the wall behind it. The reason for that is, first and foremost, the thing was loud. It was out of control loud, and it had like a pinging, rattling noise that was super frustrating, super annoying. So I ended up deciding to go with this Harvey. Unpacking it here, I love this part. This was so exciting. Partly because the packing on the Harvey made it extremely easy to get it off of the skid, to break it down, to set it up, and get it in the corner so I could get it used. Now, as I was setting it up, I didn't actually time the setup, but I think it took me only about an hour to get it off the skid, get that handle on, get it in the corner, and get it ready to run. Everything about the packing was so smooth, so clean, so crisp, easy to use. It was so quick to get to the point where I just could turn it on and get excited. And then I started messing with the dust collection. Now this was not easy, and I know I'm just using regular HVAC piping that I grabbed from the hardware store, but and there's actually significantly better piping that I could buy for this. So it's readily available, but the connections are hard to do, and I got frustrated. So I actually stopped recording what I ended up setting up here.
Do you hear the beeping? It is ready to clean this beast out. Check it out. Hey, so I wanted to go through some things as to why I absolutely love this Harvey dust post-processor. First and foremost, it does a much better job collecting the dust. Its primary function is significantly better, particularly because you actually know when the thing is full. When I was using that jet canister filter, I never actually knew when it was full or almost going to be full. All of a sudden, it would just start spitting things out and just be a total mess. In terms of this thing, I get the alarm. That's super annoying when it goes off, but that's actually a great thing because I know it's going off. I get the light, and I know I need to stop production, and I need to get over here and clean it out. That is the primary reason why I love it. Secondarily, based off of my completely non-scientific testing with the decibel meter on my iPhone, it is 10 decibels lower than that giant jet canister that was in the corner in all of that sound protection. I built all that sound protection. It was super ugly. It was a giant tower in the center, and it was still louder than this thing. And I love it that this is quieter. This is so quiet as it's running that if I'm not wearing ear protection and it's running, it doesn't hurt my ears like that jet did. That jet had this weird high-pitched sound that would absolutely start to hurt after a while if I didn't have any ear protection on. Another thing, the reason why I love this thing is it's cool looking, right? And it's fun to use. And if you're like me, kind of a blend between a professional and a hobbyist, you do this work because it's fun, and you keep working, and the more fun you have with the tools, the more you're going to create, the more you're going to build, and the better your products are going to be. That's an absolute benefit. Another thing is, on that jet, I was actually only able to track down a system of 2 remote controls that I could have throughout the shop to turn it on. Harvey, I reached out to Harvey and I bought a couple of extra remote controls that I still need to set up on the machine that I can have throughout the shop here, so I can turn it on when I'm on the other side of the shop prior to going to a piece of equipment, instead of walking over here and turning it on. I'm very excited for that. I can't wait to get that. All in all, this thing, I give it 2 thumbs up. I'm excited to use it throughout the next couple of years. And if you want to see me use it and you want to see other materials or equipment that I bring into my workshop here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and enable those notifications so you can keep getting content like this. In addition, give me some feedback, how I did on the video, what you like, what you don't like. If you have a Harvey, give me some feedback on that, what you would like to see me do to set it up a little bit better than I've got going on here. Anyways, thanks.